TwitchCon has turned into a full-blown controversy, and right in the middle of it all is none other than Jack Doherty. After being publicly embarrassed at Neon's afterparty, Jack has now been thrown out of the official TwitchCon event. But this wasn't just a small drama. What unfolded was pure chaos, full of arrogance, disrespect, and disbelief across the community. Let's go through exactly what happened, and why many believe this could mark the collapse of Jack Doherty's unpredictable online empire. It all started when Jack allegedly snuck into the TwitchCon party without a valid entry pass. Videos that spread across social media show him strolling in confidently, pretending he belonged, until Twitch security noticed something wasn't right. Within minutes, staff confronted him and asked him to step aside. Instead of cooperating, Jack turned it into a spectacle, mocking security, laughing on camera, and bragging that he had snuck into TwitchCon. His friends were filming the entire encounter live, even as a separate medical emergency was taking place nearby. The internet didn't hold back. Viewers slammed the behavior as arrogant, tone-deaf, and yet another reckless stunt from a streamer who seems addicted to controversy. The situation quickly spiraled out of control. Security soon escorted Jack and his group out of the venue, but not before another clip made the rounds, showing one of his friends mocking a security guard, taunting him for being too short to be security. That moment struck a nerve. Social media exploded with criticism, labeling Jack's crew as entitled and utterly disrespectful. And just when it seemed like it couldn't get any more absurd, Jack took it a step further, pretending to scan his diamond chain at the gate, acting like it was a real event pass. The footage went viral within hours, with thousands calling it one of the most immature stunts in TwitchCon history. Even longtime supporters began turning on him, demanding Twitch permanently ban Jack Doherty from all future events. But the chaos didn't stop there. Later that evening, another video surfaced, showing Jack arguing with a female attendee, using offensive slurs and trying to defend himself by saying, "I can't be homophobic, my brother's gay." The woman confronted him directly, challenging his words, while Jack continued to double down, clearly more focused on fueling drama than making amends. Fans were outraged. Many said it was obvious he was deliberately stirring up controversy to stay in the spotlight, something he's been accused of doing throughout his career with reckless pranks and stage confrontations. Even major Twitch creators have now started distancing themselves from him, saying they don't want to be linked to his constant stream of negative attention. And just when people thought the night couldn't get any worse, it did. A few hours later, Jack's close friends and rumor girlfriend were spotted enjoying Neon's afterparty without him. In a viral clip, Jack is visibly furious, accusing them of being fake and insisting he was the reason they'd been invited in the first place. His anger quickly turned to frustration as one of the girls stormed off, leaving him alone, visibly shaken and defeated. It was a rare sight. The usually loud, overconfident prankster suddenly looked powerless. Viewers online called it karma unfolding in real time, saying Jack was finally facing the consequences of his own ego. Now, both fans and fellow creators are questioning whether this chaotic weekend could mark the downfall of Jack Doherty's online career. His actions, sneaking into an event, disrespecting security, and throwing out offensive remarks, have made him one of the most criticized figures in the streaming community. Even several Kick streamers, from the very platform Jack often promotes, have publicly called him a liability. Meanwhile, Twitch's leadership appears unfazed. The company CEO recently made headlines for subtly criticizing Kick creators during TwitchCon itself, a move that only added fuel to the growing rivalry between the two platforms. With the TwitchCon chaos still dominating social media, it's clear that this feud between Twitch and Kick has reached a boiling point, and Jack's scandal only made it worse. At this point, it seems Jack Doherty's reckless behavior has finally caught up with him. From viral meltdowns to disrespectful stunts, he's quickly gone from being a controversial entertainer to a living reminder of how fame can collapse when taken too far. So what do you think? Is this truly the end of Jack Doherty's wild run? Or will he find a way to claw his way back into relevance once again? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive updates from the world of streamers and celebrity drama.